First service department, where all the behind the scenes magic happens. Here we'll do everything from tune-ups, battery changes, tire changes, to major fixes of your scooter. We know that your scooter is your priority and fixing it is ours. One of the most important things with your scooter is preventative maintenance, and how we do that is through a tune-up. We go through the entire machine looking for any problems, lubing up any bearings, joints, and then finding anything along the way. You name it, we do it. We'll always keep you in the loop and make sure that your scooter is working to its best condition from day one to 5 years down the road. One of the most important things to us is customer service and making our customers happy, and in doing so we offer pickup and delivery, whether it's power chairs, scooters, any form of mobility device. One of the ways we serve our customers best is also by doing in-house service. Come out to your house, service your vehicle on site, and that way you don't have to be without your mobility device for too long. So whether it's a manual wheelchair, a mobility scooter, power chair, lift chair, or pretty much anything to do with mobility, we service it. Please give us a call here at Mobility First, 519-204-0109. We'd be happy to service you anytime.